Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in white clear coat. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tint sunscreen glass, manual 6-way driver and passenger seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5691A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.